Nice job, Johnny, coloring it in. So you just pick the design you want from Design Space, your material, and then it cuts it. All we have to do is take out the parts we don't like.
Oh, that's cool.
Johnny, coloring it in. Okay, so you think this is cool?
Yes.
Everybody's doing their own turkey shirt.
I mean, that is doing Johnny's.
And finishing it up for him. And you're doing yours. See how you got it?
Doing it. Oh no.
Remember, you color towards the inside. It says gobble gobble.
Do not embarrass the turkey like that again.
Oh. So, Jose, you're letting Dada finish up?
Yeah.
You told me the colors you wanted, though.
Oh, you told me the colors. Let me see how Johnny's came out. Ah, really cool, Johnny. Came out really nice. Got an individual turkey there. And this is how everything came out. Really cool. Ready for Thanksgiving.
Did mine?